Hi, welcome to another edition of Mailbag. This one has got some really cool stuff in it. So hopefully you enjoy it. Let's go check it out. All right, so this came in. Thought we'd share the unboxing experience. I think you guys can work out what that is. There we go. Nice. Some instructions there. Keep this aside because I probably want to work out how to get this thing happening. And we've got a power supply. Hopefully this is the Australian power supply. It is one of those type of power supplies. Okay, let's get it out. Okay. Okay, there it is. Wow. Just have a bit of a feel of the physical part of it. It's amazing looking. It's really nice looking. What's this knob like here? Good. Sliders. Good. Very nice. Really does feel quality. Anyway, we probably need to plug it in. Let's have a quick look at this part of it. We've got an LED brightness control. This dip switch here would be in the manual about what that does. MIDI, USB, power. I'm actually going to rack mount this. We shall probably get to that next. Alright, this one's a FedEx parcel that's come in, and apparently you just pull these tabs. Alright, what we might do is just put that aside for a sec and we'll open up the next box because it's from the same company, and then we can check it all out at the same time. Another one. We have got two of these, and if you're wondering what they are, I've ordered these off of eBay. Now I will put a link in the description of what store to buy them from on eBay. Okay, so what are these? Well, these are busboards for a Eurorack case project that I'm about to build. These come from the Netherlands. Hello to all my Dutch viewers. And there should be 10 on each side, so there's a total of 20 outlets per busboard. So I'm going to have 4 busboards in each case, and each of these busboards is going to be, so a pair of these busboards is going to be powered by one power supply. So I'm going to have 2 power supplies per 4 busboards. You can have a look at the fact that they're a +5, +12, -12, and that's the company there, Modular Synth Lab. Pretty good. These are obviously made to spec, so yeah, that's that one. Okay, and this also came in nicely wrapped in bubble wrap. These are the 3 extra power supplies that I need for my up-and-coming Eurorack case that I'm building. These are the Meanwell, I hope they mean well, sorry. There's literally nothing in the box. It's completely empty other than the power supply itself. And they are the RT65B, quite a well-known power supply. These are very, very popular. The insides of them are actually quite good quality. There's been some teardown videos on YouTube, go check them out. Probably the most important thing is that it's going to be delivering +5, +12 and -12, and you just probably saw with the power rails that I bought, this will connect up beautifully to it. So these are all your connectors here. So you're going to have your AC coming in here with your ground, and then you've got your voltage rails there. Beautiful, hey? So pretty basic, and they'll just get screw mounted onto the back of the case. So I've got another one sitting in a cupboard. So this will be these are the extra 3 that I needed to finish this job. I will put a link in the description if you are interested in these at all. So these RT65B power supplies. Nice.